I don't know whether you've ever thought about it, but death is not far away from us. Death awaits us all, and when it comes, we have to leave everything behind and wander in samsara with our karma. Therefore, while death can be a dreadful experience, it can also serve as a significant opportunity for our liberation. Many people today are afraid to even mention the word death. In reality, this avoidance, like refusing to seek treatment out of fear of illness, is not a healthy attitude. Death is something every one of us must face, and at that moment, apart from the Dharma, there is nothing else we can truly rely on. The Sutra Requested by Shridatta states, "Our beloved parents, siblings, children, and spouses, servants, wealth, and crowds of friends and relatives will not follow us when we die. It's only our karma that follows us. Even if we may not care much about how we live this lifetime, we must carefully contemplate what it means for us to wander in the ceaseless cycle of life and death and samsara. Therefore, from this moment on, one must wholeheartedly and diligently practice the true Dharma with utmost dedication.